Hello everyone, this is George from Diego Remodeling and Repairs. What we're doing here is a customer called us and their post was completely gone. And consequently, the gate here wouldn't open and close. So we dug all this out, installed a new 4x4, and we poured the concrete footing. I'm getting ready to install this gate. Our phone number is area code 619-850-4794. You can call us for your gate repairs, any kind of gate replacement you have at your home or your office. Have a great day and bye for now.